How to check your Best Buy gift card balance. So if you want to check your gift card balance on Best Buy, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And once you open your browser, you can go for the search bar and search for Best Buy. Once you've searched, you can simply go for the first search, which is www.bestbuy.com, and it will take you to the website. And once you're on the website, you can go for the upper right of your website and you can click on the account, and under your account you will have sign in option. Click on sign in and make sure to sign into your account. And once you've signed in, now here you will have your gift card option on this bar, right? But if you don't have that, you can click on more, which is on the upper side, and then here you will have gift cards. Click on gift cards, and once you open your gift cards, here you can scroll down, and under this you will have check card balance. Click on check card balance, and from here you can choose the physical gift card or the e-gift card, so you can choose any one of that. And once you've chosen here, you need to enter your gift card number. So if you don't know where the card number is, then here, if you have your gift card, then this is your card number and this is your pin. So if you have your gift card, then simply you need to enter your gift card number on this blank, and then you need to enter the pin on the next blank, and you can click on check balance. And once you click on check balance, your balance will be visible. So that's it. That's how you check your Best Buy gift card balance. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.